In 2025, side hustles aren't just a trend, they're a survival strategy. From rising living costs to unstable job markets, more people than ever are looking for smart, flexible ways to earn extra income. But here's the thing, not all side hustles are created equal. We've sifted through the hype, scams, and outdated advice to bring you 7 side hustles that are actually working, right now for everyday people. Whether you're tech-savvy or just starting out, this list has something for you. First up, AI-assisted freelancing. In 2025, AI is no longer the future, it's your unpaid assistant. Platforms like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and 11 Labs are helping freelancers deliver better work, faster, and without needing a formal background. Let's say you want to freelance as a copywriter. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm headlines, Midjourney for visuals, and Grammarly to polish everything. This isn't cheating, it's working smarter. Freelancers who integrate AI into their services are actually charging more, not less, because clients value speed and innovation.
I was laid off in 2024. Now I use AI to write blog content, SEO product descriptions, and even email funnels. I've replaced my full-time income.
Start by picking one skill, writing, design, voiceover, data entry, and learn how AI can boost it. Then offer those services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. So next, digital publishing. This includes everything from Kindle ebooks to Etsy printables, and it's thriving in 2025. But here's the twist. You don't need to be an author or a designer. Using tools like Canva and ChatGPT, creators are building low-content products, like planners, journals, puzzle books, or logbooks, and selling them passively. You can also use Midjourney to create unique coloring book pages or illustrations. The best part? Once you publish, it sells while you sleep.
My digital journal started as a weekend project. Now, they make me $700 to $1,000 a month, hands-off.
Focus on solving a problem, organizing finances, building habits, tracking workouts. Keep it simple and visually clean. Then upload it to Amazon, KDP, or Etsy and start marketing on Pinterest or TikTok. Third, gig work has evolved. It's not just Uber and DoorDash anymore. Platforms like TaskRabbit, Instacart, and Rover are creating hyper-local income streams that people are using to pay off debt or build savings. In 2025, there's demand for all kinds of odd jobs: furniture assembly, yard work, tech help, errand running. If you're reliable and have basic tools, you can earn $25 to $60 an hour. Pet lovers are also cashing in with dog walking and pet sitting on Rover. These flexible gigs let you choose your schedule, your clients, and your rate.
I do TaskRabbit jobs every Saturday, $300 a weekend. That covers my car payment and groceries.
Gig work is immediate, scalable, and reliable when you treat it like a business. Set your profile up well, get reviews, and show up on time. Next, user-generated content, or UGC. This is one of 2025's fastest-growing side hustles, and the barrier to entry is almost zero. Unlike traditional influencers, UGC creators don't need a following. Brands want authentic, everyday people to make short videos showing their product in use. Unboxings, reviews, tutorials. You shoot a 30 to 60-second video with your phone, edit it in CapCut or InShot, and get paid per video. Rates start around $50, but seasoned creators charge $150 to $500 per clip.
I made $1,300 last month from 5 brands. I only posted one of the videos publicly. The rest were for ads.
Sites like Billo, Trend, and Join Brands make it easy to get started. Practice your delivery, lighting, and audio, and you're in business. Fifth, YouTube automation, aka Faceless Channels. These are YouTube videos where the creator never shows their face or records their voice. AI tools now make this easier than ever. You can use ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs or Play.ht for voiceovers, and stock footage from Pexels or Envato for visuals. Niches like productivity, tech reviews, personal finance, or life hacks are perfect. Once your channel hits monetization, revenue starts coming in from ads, affiliate links, and sponsors.
I post 2 videos a week and make around $2,000 per month. I've outsourced most of it to AI and editors.
Start with 1 to 2 videos a week. Optimize for watch time and consistency. Over time, this can become a serious passive income stream. Next, digital products. Templates, mini courses, and prompt guides are in high demand, especially anything that helps people work faster, better, or smarter. If you figured out how to use AI for resumes, job searching, business planning, or content creation, you can package that knowledge into products and sell it.
My ChatGPT for Freelancers prompt pack sells 100 copies a month. Took me 1 weekend to create.
You don't need a 20-module course. A single PDF, Notion dashboard, or video tutorial can sell for $10 to $50 with zero overhead. Finally, micro-consulting. In 2025, people are paying for short tactical advice sessions on platforms like Clarity.fm, Superpeer, or even through TikTok Lives. If you've got expertise, marketing, design, resume building, language tutoring, you can monetize your time in 15 to 30-minute sessions.
My micro sessions help people prep for interviews. I earn $1,200 per month from part-time coaching.
Coaching doesn't have to be formal or long-term. Help someone solve a small problem quickly and charge accordingly. Side hustles aren't a fantasy anymore. They're a foundation. From gig work to AI-powered freelancing, there's never been a more flexible, creative, and tech-enabled time to earn on your own terms. Pick one that fits your skills or lifestyle. Take action this week. And remember, every income stream starts with one step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start a hustle of their own. Which side hustle would you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.